Hey people, just a quick video on how to upload screenshots and images to your Twitter from your PlayStation 5. So first, what you want to make sure is that your Twitter is linked up to your PlayStation 5, and you do this by coming up to settings here at the top, coming down to users and accounts, and then you want to come down to linked with other services, and then obviously you want to link your Twitter. As you can see, mine's already linked. If you want to know how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description. Then you want to come all the way back to the main page. Then you want to come to this sub menu and select Media Gallery. Now on the Media Gallery, you can select any of the screenshots or images. So let's select this one here. Then you want to press the Option key on it and then select Share. Now you can select where you want to post it. So we want to post it on Twitter. So we'll select Twitter and you can go straight ahead and post it. Or you can edit the comment that you want to post with the picture. And then you simply want to click Post. And this screenshot or image will be posted to your Twitter profile. I hope that video helps you out, and thanks for watching.